Hey guys, and what's up photography family? It's your girl Funsize, and I'm back with another fun photography video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you what it is like and what happens after a fun session. I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to transfer your photos from your camera when you're done with a photo shoot over not just to your MacBook but to your iPad as well. So let's jump into this video and get started. What I'm going to show you guys right here is me connecting my Wi-Fi over to the iPad. And in order to do that, you're going to need two different apps. Well, actually, you're going to need your Wi-Fi connection as one app, of course. And the second app would be an app called the Camera Connect app, which works for your Canon camera specifically. And it will allow you to transfer over your photos to any device that you are using. So you can use your phone, you can use your MacBook, you can use your iPad that I'm using in the video to show you guys, and much more, even your TV. But in order to do that, first we have to connect our Wi-Fi to this little app, and after you download it, there's even an easy step-by-step guide that will allow you to go in and get some instructions on how to set up the app and connect your phone. So even though we're going through the video, don't even worry. Once you download the app, it's going to do that for you as well. So what we have right here is me trying to connect the Camera Connect app to my Wi-Fi. So let's just speed up a little bit so we don't have to worry about talking too slow. All right, so the Wi-Fi is now connected, and I'm also looking for the name of my camera. So once I have the name of the camera now connected, as you can see, it says my name. I'm going to look for my camera and follow the instructions that is located on the iPad, which will also be the instructions that you will get as well. And being as though this is my first time, it will be a lot faster for me. So try not to feel too hesitant in the beginning. If your system is not connecting, you can just hit the disconnect button and start over from the beginning, and it will bring up a pop-up message like this, and it will allow you to transfer your images without worry. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the images that is on the camera. And today's shoot that I'm transferring over is my little sister's surprise engagement that took place in April. So yes, I'm late with this video, but do not judge me. That's not what we're here for. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all of the photos, and then we're going to transfer the photos from the camera. So again, what you see right here is me transferring because the camera is connected. That's why you're allowed to see all the images. And then we're going to click this little button at the bottom that says import. And now once you import, you're going to see this little flashing light that is on your camera. And it is also on the iPad as well. And it's going to indicate that your images are now being transferred over to the iPad. So that's pretty simple, right? I know. So I'm going to stop saying so too. Again, don't judge me. Once that's completed, your camera screen will go back to the main menu. And all you have to do is just cut your camera off to conserve its battery. Always remember to cut the camera off and check all of your images prior to reformatting your memory card. Nothing is worse than thinking that all of your images transferred over, but you're actually missing some images and you actually reformatted the memory card. Guess what? Your images are now gone. I won't say forever. There is a whole process to get them back, but that's a lot of a process, and that's for another video. However, what we're now doing is we're transferring our images over to Lightroom. After I get all of the images transferred from my camera to the iPad, I literally transfer the iPad images over to my laptop as well and create a folder as a backup folder for them. And then I take those images from the iPad and then transfer those images once more. So now my images is in 3 different locations. I have my memory card, I have the laptop, and I have my iPad. So then when I transfer over my images, it's easier to work from multiple devices, I want to say. So if I want to open Lightroom on my MacBook, my Lightroom will then allow me to finish editing on the iPad from the last image that I left off on. And that's what you guys are seeing. Well, guys, that's pretty much how it goes after a Funsize photography session has been booked with me. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and as a photographer, hopefully you now know a new app that you can use to make it easier for you to transfer over your images. If you knew about this app prior to this video, the Camera Connect app, let me know down below. Let me know yes or no in the comments, and I'll be sure to give you guys some feedback or answer any questions that you may have. But I'm going to wrap this video up, guys, and I want to say thanks for actually tuning in and watching. And how I normally end my videos is going to be a little different in our photography videos. So we're also going to learn to love ourselves before trying to love someone else. But I also want you guys to remember, get out there and take some action, have some fun. Later for now, guys.